Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to increase your text size inside WhatsApp. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head back to your home screen of your phone and then you want to find settings. Click into settings and then scroll down and click into display. And then from here, scroll down a touch again and look for font size and style. And then at the moment my text size is at the smallest it can be. So to increase this, I'm going to move this slider to the right. So moving your slider left and right will increase it and decrease the text size. So at the moment I've got it at the largest text size possible. Now what I'll do, I'll go back, head back into WhatsApp, and you'll see the text size a lot bigger. So if your eyesight isn't the best, this is probably a good option for you guys to increase the sizing. Yeah, so that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.